Hello everyone, in this video, we'll learn the first lesson about decorators, component identification. We'll introduce the decorators at reg class, which helps site recognize scripts as components, and at property, which exposes script-defined properties in the IDE for developers to input data. Let's look at reg class first. To use it, extract reg class from the layin namespace. Then use reg class to register your custom class. Note that developers might create multiple classes in one script file, but only one class can use reg class. In layer IDE, after creating a script, if reg class isn't added, the script won't appear in the component list and can't be added to nodes. After adding the decorator, the script will be displayed in the component list. Additionally, classes marked with reg class will be compiled in the IDE environment. However, when publishing to different platforms, if the class isn't referenced by other classes, hasn't been added to nodes, or its prefab scene hasn't been published, it will be trimmed. Next, let's introduce a property. When developers want to expose component properties through IDE for external editing and data input, they need to use decorator identification at property before property definitions. First, extract property from the layin namespace. Then add property before property definitions. There are two syntax options. The standard syntax is suitable when IDE needs to display tips or Chinese aliases and other complete features. If no additional features are needed and you only want to input data, the shorthand syntax works too. However, in both syntaxes, type is a mandatory parameter for decorator property identification. In layer IDE, create a script in adding decorators before properties text1 and text2. Then printing these properties. Open IDE shows both properties are exposed. After entering some text, running the program shows the input text in the console, completing data input. Using standard syntax allows additional features, such as adding aliases and tips. In IDE, the exposed property name shows the alias, and hovering over the property name displays tips. Besides these two, standard syntax offers many more extensions, which we'll cover in later videos about properties detailed and advanced usage. That's all for this lesson. Thank you everyone.